Power Ed Markers, welcome to our webinar series number 4, which is entitled Channels of Distribution, Part 1. Our Part 2 will provide actual workable EdMark channels of distribution. Let us begin. We can confidently state that understanding channels of distribution can guide individual EdMarkers on how they can create a workable channel of distribution that is best suited in their location. Furthermore, improving their channels of distribution can help them to maximize their bonuses in EdMark by stabilizing their monthly current personal sales (CPS) in EdMark. In this webinar, we will define channels of distribution. We will differentiate indirect and direct channels. We will discuss why multi-level marketing or MLM uses direct channels of distribution. We will also show EdMark's direct channel of distribution model and how an EdMarker can improve his personal direct channel of distribution to increase his current personal sales (CPS) in EdMark. Basically, channels of distribution is the combination of supply chain layers through which a seller markets products to the user or ultimate consumer. It also provides the essential links that connect producer, manufacturers, and customer. Mainly the key points in channels of distribution are there is a seller and there is the ultimate consumer or buyer. There are two types of channel distributions, the indirect and the direct channels. Commonly used in the supply chain is the indirect channels of distribution, whereby there is a middle layer called channel layers which separates the product company and manufacturers to the product consumers or buyer. This middle layer comprises mostly of the channel wholesalers and channel retailers. Based on this given illustration of a standard indirect channel of distribution, whereby the product source reaches the product consumer by going through indirect channels of distribution layers. Such a channel may be layered with a regional wholesaler, a country wholesaler, then down to a district wholesaler who distributes the products to an area retailer before it becomes available over the counter to the customer. Because of operational expenses along the channel, the original factory price gets additional price markup per channel layer, resulting to a higher customer price. Again, let us review. Indirect channel of distribution is where there is a gap between the original seller, which is the company and manufacturer, to the ultimate consumer or buyer, which is the customer. Here is a good example of an indirect channel of distribution. The soda product drinks like Coca-Cola or Pepsi have various intermediary indirect channels before the soda ends up at the hand of the soda drinker or consumer.
Let us now talk about direct channels of distribution. The direct channel of distribution is the distribution model used by multi-level marketing, direct selling, or network industry. Now, EdMark uses the same distribution model, whereby there is no more intermediary and the members like us, EdMarkers, we have dual functions. We act already as the ultimate consumer, and we are giving a business opportunity to be the wholesaler, retailer, or product distributor all in one to distribute the product to our prospect or customers. EdMark uses a direct channel of distribution model. It gives and provides members like us, EdMarkers, the opportunity to do two functions. The first one, illustration number 1, is whereby we simply become a member and benefit by buying the Edmark products at discounted distributor price. The second model is whereby members can participate in the Edmark Global Business Opportunity, in which as members, we buy the product at distributor price and we resell the products to non-members at a customer price, thereby already providing us with profit in the retailing activity. Let us review again your two dual opportunities as an Edmarker or a registered Edmark member. The first opportunity is that an Edmarker buys the products directly from the company at special discounted distributor price for his personal consumption. The second opportunity is the Edmarker buys the product at distributor price with the option to earn extra income by reselling the Edmark products to non-members or customers.
At this segment, but to be discussed further on our next webinar, is what we call brand positioning concept. First, remember, the Edmark products are food supplements and beverages. So you are the buyer and user. You simply replace your commercial brands of coffee, orange, chocolate, or fruit juices with the Edmark brands. Secondly, you as the Edmark distributor or retailer, you simply promote the Edmark brand to your customers. Encourage them to change their brands of coffee, orange, chocolate, fruit juices, and food supplement from the commercial brand to the Edmark brand. Lastly, let me end this session with a very encouraging input. As an Edmark product distributor or retailer, do you know that you can earn more by investing in the Edmark Super Best Buy promo? The Super Best Buy promo is where you buy the Edmark products in bundle or packages and get additional products free. This will surely increase your retail profit margin from 20% up to 50%, and this calculates to extra income.
Power Edmarkers, the next webinar onwards will discuss the more practical strategies on how to be a Power Edmarker. How do you grow the channels of distribution so that you increase your income, you maximize your income in Edmark? We will discuss market positioning, brand positioning, as well as a complete and detailed discussion of the Edmark distribution compensation plan. Power up!